Welcome to another fitness video. My name is Dr. Emma Shapiro, and I'm a physical therapist. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about doing push-ups. Now, push-ups are one of my favorite exercises to strengthen my whole body. My kitty's in the way. Are one of my favorite exercises to strengthen the whole body. They're really great. They strengthen your shoulders, your back, your core, your legs, everything. So it's one of my top body weight exercises for people to get stronger. Now, when you're doing push-ups, though, you may be a little intimidated by the standard form. That's okay. There are a number of variations I'm going to teach you today. So, traditionally, we know a push-up as the position where we get onto the balls of our feet, bring our hands out to our side, back nice and straight, and we're going down. That push-up can be difficult, and we want to create and maintain the right form throughout the whole push-up. But here's a number of easy ways which you can make the push-up a little bit harder or easier for yourself. One is instead of going on the balls of your feet, simply go onto your knees. Now, when you go onto your knees for this exercise, you don't want your knees to be in line with your hip. This is too easy, and it's really sort of an awkward motion. You want to actually angle your knees and then drop your hips forward. So you're still in line, but you're at an angle. And now from here, you can do your push-ups. And it's much easier to maintain proper form the whole time. Now, if you're saying that's still too tricky, here's something else you can do. You can then bring the knees forward, and you can go into the basic form here, or you can simply work on raising your arms or raising your legs. Another very good exercise that is a little bit simpler, less demanding, but is still going to be working your core, your arms, and your legs. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.